Today we'll see about this G90 and 91. Increment absolute method with incremental method. Okay.
Mhm.
What is the meaning of this absolute and incremental? Any idea about this absolute and incremental?
Sir, absolute means that it's an absolute value. And incremental means like let's say if I say something is absolute, it means like atmospheric pressure is absolute. Like 1 bar is always acting on our human body. Incremental means something that is slowly increasing.
Uh,
But I could be wrong. I think yeah.
you're wrong. That is absolute. This for technically the CNC machine the absolute method means standard origin point, is constant origin point.
Oh yes.
Okay, the origin point will be fixed at one place. That is known as absolute method.
Mhm.
Incremental method na the origin point will be changed for each and every time according to the tool movement.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is the difference between absolute method and incremental method.
Mhm.
First, we will see about absolute method. Okay. Suppose okay. Okay. Now this is another. This is safety. First, you will see absolute method. P9. Okay. Now this is point number one, two, three, four, five. And what about the point number one?
Sir, point number one is you mean the value or
Point number one will be P01 x minus 50 y0 f. Yes, this is
yes,
correct.
sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir,
This is
yep.
correct.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Yes,
Oh, so G90 means 00.
yes, Z9. Huh? This is the point.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, next. Point number.
Oh, point number two, sir. X is going to be still minus 50
Yeah,
and Y is going to be minus 50 as well.
minus 40. Minus 40.
Oh, yes, sorry, sir. Minus 40. Yeah, exactly. Yes.
This is known as absolute method. The, previously, what we had done that is known as absolute program.
Oh, absolute program.
Yes. Next, point number three, P01. What about the point number three value?
Sir, X is going to be plus 50 and Y is going to be minus 40.
Very good. Next, 15, 1 minus
40.
1 per 4.
So point number four is going to be plus 50, X is going to be plus 50, Y is going to be plus 40.
Yes. Next, 50, y 40. 1, 5.
Sir, X is going to be minus 50, Y is going to be Y is going to be plus 40.
Point number 6.
Sir, point number six is going to be same. X minus 50 and Y is going to be 0.
Yes. This is known as absolute method. Absolute method previously from the day one we are saying that is known as absolute method.
Absolute method,
Yes.
yes.
Now you can see this command is in your previous program. Just you can check it. The I sent the screenshot. You can check it whether this command is available in the program.
G90. Yes, sir. In the third line, I can see it's G90. Oh, so it means it's absolute method. Okay, okay. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
G90. Our program is absolute method. We are running the program in XY plane selection, and then our program is in MO mode, that is metric mode. Now,
Metric
these
mode.
three
Yes.
commands are available at G90, sorry, G90, G70, G21.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
now you got it.
Yeah, I got the three. Yes, sir.
Now, that is our program is in absolute method.
Oh,
Okay, we are doing the program in absolute method.
yeah.
Previous, in the first line itself, I'm just mentioning the code.
Yes,
G90, G17 and G21 command.
20. Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
we can copy this.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. I've got it.
Yeah. Now, incremental method.
Yes, sir.
Incremental method. What is the meaning of incremental method?
Sir, increasing. Maybe taking the last point, what I understood from previous example. Maybe in this one, it's taking the last point as its reference point and then going
That
in
is,
that direction. Yeah.
now suppose first tool is
Yes.
from here, if you write the point,
Sir, yeah. Minus
x
50,
plus 50, y0, f 100.
100. Yeah.
Okay, the first point will be x minus 50, y0, f 100.
100.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, as for D1, suppose where the tool is there, that point will be origin point.
Okay.
That this point will be origin. This is x. This is
Oh, okay.
okay. Now, from here to here, we should take the here to here. Two values.
Sir, x is going to be 0 and y is going to be minus 50.
Very good. 140.
Oh, yes, sorry, sir. 40. It's always
0,
50 in my
y minus 40.
40.
Now, this portion is 40. This is x minus y.
Sir, x is going to be 100 plus
Yeah,
and y is going to be 0.
absolutely. 0, 1, x 100, y. Now, this portion is known as reference point. This is y plus, this is y minus, x plus, and then x minus. From here to here.
Sir, now my x is going to be 0 and my y is going to be plus 80.
0, 1, x 0, y 8.
80. Yes, sir.
This is origin point. This is x minus, x plus, y minus. From here to here.
Sir, it's going to be x is going to be minus 100 and y is going to be 0.
0. Super. From 5 to 6.
So 5 to 6, x is going to be 0 and y is going to be minus 40.
Very good. X 0, y minus 8. This is known as incremental method.
No incremental, yes.
Yes, now you can check it whether this command is available in the program. You can check it
Yes.
where we are inputted this line G91 command.
Sir, yeah, in the fourth line, I can see G91 command.
Yes, in the fourth line I had given G91 G28 Z0. Yes,
Yes. Yes.
yes, in the fourth line. And then in the sixth last line before M30, I had uploaded G91 G20 DZ0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. The next class I will explain about this. Why I had inputted this line in the this command in the G91 G20 DZ0. The next class I will explain about this. Okay.
Great. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, but just these two commands you can able to understand these two commands.
Yeah, no, no, sir. Absolutely, yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Just I will give a homework for G90 and G91. Just you can try.
Yes, sure, sir.
Just after completing the homework, take a photo and send to me.
No, absolutely,
Yeah,
sir.
sure. You can copy this. Okay. Now we can start from here. Okay. This is point number one. Here from this point you can start.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And then from here, point number two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, this is 16, and then we can complete here 17.
Yes, sir.